Welcome back to Middle East Tonight. I'm your host, Zach Foster. Meet Avi Berkowitz, Jared Kushner's personal assistant and guy put in charge of solving the Israeli Palestinian conflict. Axios reported in 2019 that when Jason Greenblatt left Kushner's Mideast peace team, most of his responsibilities shifted to Avi Berkowitz, who first met Kushner in Arizona playing pickup basketball when he was an undergraduate at Queens College. Finally, it's all making sense. Kushner got schooled by a 5'2" Orthodox Jewish boy from Long Island and was like, yo, this kid's got talent. Put him in charge of Middle East peace. A 31-year-old kid known as Jared Kushner's mini-me is responsible for solving one of the world's most intractable conflicts. What are this kid's emails like? Dear BB, let's play some one-on-one. Winner gets to bulldoze 36 Palestinian homes. Double high, double high. It's a Jewish reference. Now, before Avi became assistant to the president and special representative for international negotiations, he was known as Jared Kushner's mini-me.
Breathtaking. I shall call him Mini-Me.
And back when Avi was Kushner's personal secretary, he was known to spend most of his time on Twitter, crafting riveting tweets replete with mellifluous prose and biting analysis like amazing and amazing and we won and we won and Trump Tower and Trump Tower again. And look, oh, here's Trump Tower again. I'm just gonna stand here and rack up like an extra 20 seconds of watch time seconds. I know YouTube measures watch time hours, but we're just trying to rack up seconds over here in Middle East Tonight. Thanks again for subscribing. Until next time.